Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable Touch ID on the Paysera application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the settings button in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down to the settings section and click on the third option, which is privacy and security. Then scroll down to the lock screen section and tap on the second option, which is sign in with Touch ID if you would like to enable this feature. All you have to do is tapping on the button on the right side next to it, and then it will be enabled. So whenever you would like to open the app, you will be asked to use the biometric authentication. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.